Hello math lovers, it's Vic, and today I have a bit of complicated equation for you. Can you solve minus 2 multiplied by parenthesis 8 divided by 4 multiplied by 2 divided by minus 4 over 1 minus 1 over 2? At the first glance it looks confusing. You have negatives, you have fraction, and you have parentheses everywhere. But don't panic. We will find step by step the solution. If you love tackling tricky math problems and mastering BODMAS, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now. So we'll split it in two parts. First we have the numerator and then we have the denominator. So let's do it step by step, the numerator first. If you remember the order of operation rule, PEMDAS, we must do first what's inside the parentheses. So what we have 8 divided by 4 multiplied by 2. Also in the order of operation rules, if we have division and multiplication or multiplication division, we must do it from left to right. So in this case, we have 2 multiplied by 2, which equals 4. Now that we figure out what we have in the parentheses, we calculate the numerator from left to right. What we have then minus 2 multiplied by 4, because here this means multiplication, and divided by minus 4. So minus 2 multiplied by 4 equals minus 8 divided by minus 4. We have one negative sign and another negative sign. That means that we cancel them. So when we have two negative signs, either in division or multiplication, they're both canceled. So what we have at the numerator, we have minus 8 divided by minus 4 is 2. So here first we'll put numerator is 2. Let's do now the denominator. So now let's tackle the denominator. So to do this, it's pretty straightforward. 1 minus 1, 2. So then we need to do it in the same denominator. We multiply by 2 and we get 2 over 2 minus 1, and we get 1 over 2. So for us, then the denominator is 1 over 2. Now let's find the right answer. So we have numerator is 2. We have 2 over 1 and 1 over 2. We can write it easier, 2 divided by 1 over 2. So you know when you divide by a fraction, you flip and you multiply. So we have 2 multiplied by 2 and the result is 4. So people usually get lost in the negatives or forget to flip the fraction here. So the secret is do one step at a time. First decode the numerator, then decode the denominator, and keep track of all your signs. So did you solve it correctly the first time, or did you get negatives trip you up? Comment the answer below, please, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Ciao, ciao.